So guys, I'm on Steam right now, and you might sometimes get an error code on Steam that's called 105. I'm going to show you how we can solve this kind of error. So mainly this kind of error is due to the problem in DNS. So we have two options in order to solve this issue. Firstly, go to the search box on your computer and then type in here network settings. Okay, you can go here, network, view network connections, and you're gonna right click on the network that you are connected to and then go to properties, and you have one option that's called Internet Protocol version 4. So just click here and then go to properties, and we're gonna select this option here. Second one, use the following DNS server, and you can use here Google DNS, that's .8, and for the alternate one, right here 8.8.4.4. just click on OK. Now that's the first option, and it should solve your issue. If it doesn't solve the issue, just go to the search box here and type in your CMD and right click here and then run as administrator. So we're gonna flush the DNS here firstly. So we're gonna type in here ipconfig /flush DNS and enter. So the next command is here netsh winsock reset, enter. After this, you have to restart your PC and try launching Steam once again, and this problem will get fixed. So that's the two options guys. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.